Sample scavenger hunts on various health topics are available to you in the Nebolus Planning Tool. Sample scavenger hunts can be used to access ready-made content on a specific health topic and adapt this content for your own scavenger hunt. On your homepage of the Planning Tool, you will find the Sample Scavenger Hunts button. After clicking on the button, you will receive an overview of scavenger hunts whose content you can adopt. The Fitfluencer sample scavenger hunt, for example, focuses on exercise and sport. After clicking on the sample scavenger hunt, you will receive a description of the story and have the option to add this scavenger hunt to your own scavenger hunts. Below the story description, you can download the story as a PDF document and view the scavenger hunt test code to run the scavenger hunt in test mode in the Nebolus app. If you like the story and the health topic, you can copy the scavenger hunt content using the Add to My Scavenger Hunts button. If you now go to your scavenger hunts page, you will see that the sample scavenger hunt has been adopted. A look at the scavenger hunt overview page and the individual areas themselves shows that the entries from the sample scavenger hunt have been copied here. You can use this as a starting point for further editing and uploads. Feel free to use the downloadable story templates for the sample scavenger hunts to decide whether a sample scavenger hunt is suitable for your health topic and needs. Sample scavenger hunts offer a quick start to setting up your first scavenger hunt.